Yes, guys. Happy New Year to you all. Now, I welcome you to the year 2022. My name is Crypto Keep, and this is the first broadcast in the year 2022. I'd like to send a little word of encouragement to every trader out there that this new year will be a year of testimonies and a year of success upon success. So my word of encouragement for the year is for us to learn to be new. We are in a new year, and as we know, the way we bet a new year is the way we bet a new baby. So let us all try and endeavor to be like a new baby while aspiring to build the empire we all deserve and then find ourselves financial freedom. How do we be like a baby? When I say let's try to be like a baby, I'm trying to say let us emulate. Can I use emulate? Or imitate the hearts of newborn babies, especially when they are toddlers and when they are learning to crawl and then learning to walk. We see many times when a baby is learning to walk, they do take scratches upon scratches, but they never give up. Also, when a baby is learning to walk, they fall many times, take scratches, and yet they never give up. If a baby is trying to stand, learning to stand, or learning to walk, it may fall many times. They do fall many times. They might hit their head on the chair, table, or whatnot. They cry, they sleep, only to wake up to continue and push harder until they learn that thing they are after. So they take as many scratches as possible, but they never lose their head. They never lose their legs. So what I'm trying to say in essence is, while we are aspiring to build empires upon empires and seeking for financial freedoms, let us try as much as possible not to lose our head in the game. Let us try as much as possible to learn to taking scratches. Taking scratches is part of the game. And taking scratches means losing part of your capital, but not everything. As we can tell with a baby might try to stand right now for the first time, then it falls right back. If it doesn't hit anything, it tries again. So those are the scratches I'm talking about. When we take scratches in a game, that means we are risking what we can afford to lose. And those scratches, they can hurt, yes. But there is one thing that is certain about scratches: they always heal. But when you lose your leg, when a baby is trying to walk and then loses his leg completely, probably due to an accident, then you know it's game over. And when that happens in trading, is when you lose your capital. That means you have lost your head, and that is game over. And that is not what we want to be our portion in this new year 2022. So let's normalize taking scratches. Risk what you can afford to lose. 0.5%, 1%, 2%, 3%, whatever you think you can afford to lose, even if it's 5%. But do not risk too much. Do not risk too much percentage of your balance to a single trade, because when you encounter losing streaks, it can be deadly, and it will be an easy way to losing your head in the game. So let's normalize taking little scratches. Those scratches will heal. All you have to do is go to bed, sleep, and wake up afresh, and then push ahead again. Reanalyze what happened, how you lost what you lost. Take note of the mistakes, and then do not repeat it again, just like babies. So as we are in a new year and we are having the concept of a new baby, let us rebet ourselves as a new being. And not just a new being, but as a new traders. So this way, we will be able to stay long in the game. And when we are able to stay long in the game, then we will be able to achieve that desire that we have, and that is financial freedom. So everything we have learned from previous years, let us try to put it into practice. If you are a beginner trader, you have to watch some videos to acquaintance yourself with the new field you are getting into. But then do not let videos take too much of your time. The action is right in front of you. The action is you interfering with the charts and learning to trade all by yourself. People can only guide you when you have some questions or some things you do not understand, and that is the essence of videos. So use those videos as references, but the real learning process is by you taking the bulls by the horn, and that is sitting down in front of your maybe phone, laptop, workstation, and trying to read chart and understand what goes on there. And when you think you are finally ready to take the first trade, then learn to be like a baby. Remember, you only want to take scratches and not lose your leg. You only want to take scratches and not lose your head. So while remembering that, remember you want to lose just a fraction of what you have. And by that, it takes you to risk management, which is the most important thing in trading. Risk management with trading psychology, or let's say trader psychology. So with that too, then you'll be fine in building a new career in trading, either with fundamental analysis or with technical analysis. There may be many confusing aspects and many things you may not understand. Be patient with the process. It's quite easy. Be patient with the process and try to learn. Remember, like I said earlier on, those videos we have on YouTube and elsewhere, they are references. Those are videos compiled from someone else's experiences in the game. So you have to build your own experience and find your own working path with those videos in mind as reference, and you just be fine. So while we learn to be like a baby, let's learn also to take advantage when we can. So this is my New Year message to you all. Trading is quite good and interesting, but as interesting as it can be as boring as well. So let's not lose ourselves while trying to build our empire, but let's build our empire with good reasons and good logics. And let us not try to lose ourselves in the process. When you lose yourself, it's game over. And an actor never wins when it's dead or when it's gone. So this is my New Year message to you. Also, let's be fluid. Let's be like water. Let's learn to adapt to things. Things evolve every time, especially in the crypto space. So let's learn to evolve, be fluid like water. When water finds a path to flow, it flows via that path. When the path changes, it flows through the new path. It doesn't mean the old path is closed, but any single channel it has, it takes. So with the evolving nature of the crypto space, you also want to learn to adapt. So adaptation is key. Not losing yourself is also key. So this will be my message to you all this new year, and I wish every one of us a successful trading career. Thank you.